cigarettes. I said, no, 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 thank you, my friend, no, tobacco. It's kind of lonely on the highway, especially when you're driving in the rain. But if you think you're going my way, well, hell, might as well take the train. I've been around this town, so sat down on the road, thinking about the time when it's getting cold. It's been a real long time. I'm thinking it's time to get back on the road. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. No, man, there's nothing wrong. You ain't got much to do to sing a song.